The explainer video niche on YouTube is one of the fastest growing areas right now. And the best part? It's still not oversaturated. Take the channel Chill Dude Explains as an example. In a short time, they've gained over 500,000 subscribers and millions of views, all with videos that seem surprisingly simple. Here's the secret. These aren't high-budget productions. Most explainer videos use nothing more than stick-figure-style characters and hand-drawn cartoon backgrounds to explain topics like science, history, psychology, survival, or everyday mysteries. So, why are these videos going viral? Because the simple visuals, relatable tone, and curiosity-driven storytelling keep viewers hooked and coming back for more. And the best part? You don't need expensive software or years of design experience to make them. AI tools can do most of the work for you. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to create viral explainer videos from scratch. Watch till the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Choosing a video topic. The first step to making a viral explainer video is picking an interesting and unique topic. No matter how great your animation is, if your topic is boring, viewers will quickly lose interest. To make this easier, I've prepared a Google Doc with ready-to-use prompts that can help you generate unlimited video ideas. You'll find the link in the description. If you're finding this guide useful, please take a second to hit the like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm share this with more creators like you and keeps me motivated to make more tutorials. Now, open the Google Doc, copy one of the topic prompts, and paste it into your favorite AI text generator. For example, ChatGPT. Before you hit enter, tell the AI how many ideas you want, 5, 10, or even 20. In just seconds, it'll produce a list of engaging, curiosity-filled topics you can use. Look through the list and pick the one that grabs your attention. If none feel right, just ask ChatGPT to create more until you find your perfect match. It's like having an endless idea generator at your fingertips. Step 2. Writing the script. Now that you've chosen a topic, it's time to create your script. Go back to the Google Doc, copy the script prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. Before generating, specify how long you want your video to be. A 1-minute short, a 2-minute explainer, or a full 10-minute breakdown. Then enter the number of the topic you picked earlier and hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will produce a complete, engaging YouTube script that fits your topic. If you're doing a countdown-style video, the AI will automatically organize it so it starts from the highest number and counts down. A proven structure that boosts audience, retention, and performance in the YouTube algorithm. Step 3. Creating the voiceover. Next, let's create your voiceover using 11 Labs. Visit the website. Sign up for a free account and go to the instant speech section. Then, copy your full script from ChatGPT and paste it into 11 Labs. Add numbers at the start of each countdown section and remove any unnecessary lines. Now, choose a voice from the wide selection available. Preview a few to find one that fits your channel's tone. Once ready, click Generate Speech, and in seconds, 11 Labs will produce a natural-sounding AI voiceover. Download the file to your device. Step 4. Generating image prompts. To create visuals, we'll need detailed image prompts. Head to the Google Doc, copy the image prompt template, and paste it into ChatGPT. In seconds, you'll get a set of creative image prompts that match your script's scenes or countdown points. These will be used to create the hand-drawn stick figure and cartoon-style backgrounds that define this niche. Step 5. Creating the images. We'll use Google Image FX for this. Log in with your email, then set the aspect ratio to 16:9, perfect for YouTube. Now, copy your first image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Image FX. Hit Generate, and within moments, you'll get 4 variations of images based on your prompt. Pick the one that best fits the stick figure cartoon style you want. Download it and repeat this process for each prompt until you have all the visuals you need. Step 6. Adding background music. To make your video more engaging, we'll create custom background music using Suno AI. Create an account, click on the music icon, and choose instrumental since we don't need lyrics. If you're not sure which music style fits best, just ask ChatGPT for suggestions based on your video's tone. Copy that suggestion, paste it into Suno, name your track, and hit Create. Suno will instantly generate 2 versions of background tracks. Preview both and download the one that fits your video best. Step 7. Editing everything together. Now it's time to combine all your elements using CapCut. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import all your images and set the aspect ratio to 16.9. Stretch each image so it fits the frame. Next, import your voiceover and remove any pauses or unnecessary gaps for a smoother flow. For countdowns, click on Text. Type your starting number. Choose a stylish template and position it where you like. Repeat for each number in your script. Now add captions. Go to Text, Auto Captions, pick a caption style you like, and click Generate. CapCut will automatically sync captions to your voiceover. Adjust font size and placement until everything looks clean. Finally, import your background music, trim any extra parts, and lower the volume so it complements the narration without overpowering it. Play through your video from start to finish to make sure it flows smoothly. Once satisfied, click Export, set the resolution to 4K, and save it to your device. And that's it. Your AI-powered explainer video is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions. I will try to reply to as many as possible.